today's episode of Piece of Shit Saves the Super Piece of Shit. Alright, so niggas that are parking right now, they live on top of me. And their son is like telling their parents, like, oh, he won that car, he won the pink slip. And what, this? Or in this one? That's what he said, like, I won pink scored in a race. Hold this for me, so I don't die. Don't let him touch. So what is it, red first and then black?
How you doing, man?
Oh, pretty good, man. Robert, man.
Alright, Jeff.
Alright, nice to meet you.
You gonna be on YouTube?
Huh?
You gonna be on YouTube?
Who?
YouTube, you gonna be on YouTube?
Yeah. Oh, I'm out there. Shit, yeah. Hell yeah. This way it is, then, baby. Shit. On YouTube, then, man. Shit. Yeah.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
What year is it?
Is it 2011?
2011?
Yeah.
Got a listed?
Yeah, they come, they're 3.8 ton turbo. They come boosted.
What you got done to it? Nothing?
Nah, it's full bolt on the 85 built transmission, paying like 650. Yeah. Yeah, hell yeah. I had a few more things to do to it soon, and I'm trying to hit like 720 for the wheel. That's my goal.
Yeah.
I work with Alpha Speed.
Really?
Yeah, so we tune cars, all types of shit. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
And I want to take on the Joe Tech.
Joe Tech is good too. Yeah. Oh yeah.
And I'm like, I don't want to go crazy on this I like it.
Yeah.
That's yours right there?
Yeah, that's mine too.
Oh, clean too.
It's a low tire right there. Just says engine malfunction. Because I have a base tune on it and I haven't deleted any of the check engine codes. So I could go on EcuTech right here. I don't know if you see it. And I can just clear all the codes. Now they gone. Bluetooth. Rich people shit. I always gotta do this shit. Jenny's mad low, nigga. I be like fucking breaking my back. Takes forever, nigga. Cause I put 50 in the Genesis. I'll be here all day, nigga. Normally it's at least like 4 psi that it moves though. At least 3 or 4. I have no dollars.
We out here.
I went to the bank. I had to get some pennies. I'm going to Miami in a few days to hang out with Bushi and Race Rally Media, PCNY. And I gotta have a spending budget up to them niggas' par. So we just got back home. Got some Toyos 325s for the GTR. Quick Nick came through with the quick shipping, as always, from Car Tuners. Nobody else could get the Toyos but him. They've been sold out for fucking weeks. So now we got tuned with Alpha Speed. Hopefully make like 650, 700 with the GTR.
Yo, hide inside and then pop up and say, don't forget to subscribe. Well, your dog gotta move.
And don't forget to
No.
and don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, apologies.
So we finna start the car for the first time in like 5 days or 6. I tried it like 3-4 days ago and I couldn't get it up. Hoping it's warm enough now I can have this shit air up so we can actually get some real content.